언젠가 내게 너희가 있어 10,000 people maybe more people talking without speaking people hearing without listening people writing songs the voices never share
Parang
no one dares
Parang gusto kong kunin nung high tone nito, yung part nito. Let's see, Let's see. People writing songs that voices never shared. No one dares. Mabagal yung lyrics. Nakuha mo yung tono ko? Okay. Pareho din sa unang tono kanina. Okay. Let's have that part.